Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make this kind of spread for your fall journal. Enjoy! Of course, I will start with cutting out all these elements. I've got 4 pages. This one is double-sided. I must say that I have extremely beautiful tea-stained pages. My mom made them for me. By the way, as you can see, these prints are borderless. For those who doesn't know how it works, basically your printer is like overprinting because there is a good chance that your paper wasn't installed correctly. I mean, like really straight. If it wouldn't be like overlapping it, then you would get these white corners. That's why a part of your image is cut. Personally, I don't really want to trim the edges when I print the pages for my journals, because I don't want to change the size. You know, I don't want to do this extra job, and I don't really want to see them smaller than all the other pages. So almost always I choose borderless print. But of course there are some images that you cannot just to cut a piece of. And in this case, yeah, you have to choose just a regular print with borders. Now I have 3 types of leaves. These are with quotes. These are mirrored shapes so that I can glue them back to back. And the third part, they're just the same as this, but without color and without quotes. You probably know that I don't like to see white edges when I'm cutting out anything. It's not really comfortable to use this thing, so I will be using this. You can see that immediately it gets more volume and becomes more visible, more noticeable. The edges are more visible. I think now they look actually great. Now I will work with these edges. Actually, I think I want to use this marker for here also. Now I'll make this little bouquet. I'm gonna put just a bit of glue to the very edges, and I believe it's gonna be bushy, so I'll put it somewhere here, somewhere here. Now I will pick some leaves that I want to see in this bouquet. I don't like to waste anything, and I think it's a waste just to glue it all the way. So I am making a little pocket here where I can add another leaf just inside of it. Of course, it can be a piece of paper with some note. It can be some picture. It can be pretty much anything. So this is the way it's gonna be. I will let it dry and then I will fill it with something. These areas are quite fragile, so I will not put too many of them here. But even just 3 of them is already enough to add many more. You can guess that I can tuck them here, here. Oh, it's gonna be quite a bush, but I don't really want it to look messy. So I will add just a few more. I'm done with this little bouquet. And here I will make something really pretty. Right, something like that. Just a little bit of glue. I want to use just as much as I can, you know. I want to use these leaves as tuck spots. I will make this curvy line. And a bit more of leaves that will go over the rope. I'm sure that many of you think that I always know what I'm doing. Well, I'm not. I'm just a person. I'm just a human. And sometimes I end up with something ugly. Well, not ugly, but something I'm not satisfied with. And then I would just, I don't know, stop doing that, throw it away. Not throw away, but demolish it and recycle. But so far I'm really happy with this. I don't know what you call it. I'd say in my language necklace. The last thing I want to add is this button. It's really cute. I will use the same rope. And now I don't really know where to put these pieces, down here or up there. Yes, that's it. I like it this way, just to repeat this line, not repeat but to go along it. So here and somewhere here, just to fill this corner with something. And here I want to bring them together. I want to touch it with the same marker. You see now, again, I have this edge. Looks much better. I still feel that I really want to add something here. I think this will give a really nice touch if I add them right here. Okay, I think I'm done with this part. Here I printed my background pages in half size. I want to make a flap with a pocket. Of course, I will be using this side here because I want to repeat these leaves. I do not want to use any kind of closure for this flap, so it will be opening this way so that I can easily flip this page when I'm watching my journal, watching or showing my journal. Now I will play with the edges as always. Of course I could make it double-sided, but I want to make it a bit more interesting than just a flap. I want to make it a pocket. Alright, so it's gonna be like this, and that's why I will punch it here, right? Alright. And this way it will be easier to pull anything out of this pocket. A bit more here. That's it. And just some glue. As you can see, I also worked with these areas because I like to see edges and everywhere. That's it, this spread is ready. Because I have these edges, it looks complete, and this part, it doesn't even need any more embellishment. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. Everything is framed and the colors and shapes are repeated on both sides. One side is busy, another one is more simple. That's how I arrange my spreads. Yes, I think I will add something here. Again, even with this sleeve, it's not that I'm putting it just anywhere. I want to continue this line. Alright, now I'm done with my spread. And as usual, you can use my printable kit to make this spread, or you can use your own materials to create something like this, just using this idea. I hope this video was helpful, useful, or inspiring for you, and I wish you all to stay safe, healthy, and creative. Bye bye.